Imagine a vast library filled with countless books, each containing valuable information. As a data analyst, you are the master librarian of that digital library. SQL, Structured Query Language, is the universal language used to communicate with databases. Companies store huge amounts of data, orders, website clicks, employee records, and SQL lets you retrieve and analyze it. Without SQL, making sense of messes like this would be slow and error-prone. In interviews, employers test your ability to retrieve, filter, and summarize data. Core SQL skills. This video will take you step by step through the 10 essential SQL queries interviewers ask about. We will start with the basics and build to more advanced techniques. Follow along with the code snippets on screen. All slides carry the Data Key brand for quick reference. Let's begin, one query at a time. Chapter 1. Selecting and filtering data with select, where, order by, and distinct. Watch the code, read the comments, and pause if you want to copy examples. Pace yourself. We will show the query, explain it, and give a short example for each. Next, select and where. How to pull exactly the rows and columns you need. Select specifies which columns to return. For example, select name email from customers. Think of it like choosing which column headers you want to see. Use an asterisk to return all columns. Select from sales. Useful for exploration. From tells the database which table to pull from, where narrows rows by condition. Select name from customers where city == Mumbai, where reduces millions to the handful you need. Order by sorts results. Use ASC for ascending, DESC for descending. Example, list employees by hire date, most recent first. Distinct returns unique values only. Select distinct city from sales, useful for quick category lists like unique customer cities. Combined example, select name, email from customers where signup_date. January 1st, 2024. Order by signup_date desk. Read left to right, column selection, row filter, then sort. Tip, use clear column aliases and comments to explain business intent. Watch out for missing where clauses and heavy order by on large tables. Next, summarizing with group by and filtering those summaries with having, then combining tables with joins. Raw lists are rarely enough. You need summaries. Group by aggregates rows into groups. Use count, sum, AVG, min, max to compute group summaries. Example, select city sum revenue from sales group by city. Total revenue per city. Visualize grouped totals for quick insight. Remember, where filters rows before grouping. Having filters after aggregation, for example, having sum revenue. 10000. You cannot use sum in where. Use having for aggregated conditions. Real databases are normalized. Data lives across multiple related tables. Use joins to combine them. Inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. Know the difference. Inner join returns rows present in both tables. Example, list customers who placed orders. Unmatched customers or orphaned orders are excluded. Left join returns all left table rows and matched right rows. Unmatched right side columns are null. Full outer join returns all rows from both tables, matching where possible. Tip, always use explicit on clauses and table aliases for clarity and performance. Filter early and select only the columns you need to reduce memory and execution time. Next, subqueries for nested logic and window functions for row-level analytics without collapsing rows. A subquery is a query inside another query. The inner query runs first, feeding the outer query. Example, select employee_name from employees where salary. Select AVG salary from employees. Window functions compute values across a set of rows related to the current row without collapsing rows. Example, rank over, partition by department_name order by salary desk, gives a salary rank within each department. Use windows for running totals, moving averages, and per category rankings without losing row detail. Window functions are powerful but can be computationally intensive. Case implements if-then-else logic in SQL, perfect for on-the-fly categorization. Example, categorizing products by price using case, when, then, else, end. Duplicate SKU counts and sums. Find them before analysis. Example, select email, count, from customers group by email having count. 1. After identifying duplicates, decide. clean source, dedupe in ETL, or exclude in analysis as appropriate. A common pattern uses row_number over to mark and remove duplicates where appropriate. Recap, select, where, order by, distinct, group by, having, joins, subqueries, window functions, case, and finding duplicates. Practice regularly. Write queries, test on sample datasets, and explain your logic aloud. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the Data Key for more interview-ready tutorials.